In our first video, we have learned about MySQL and also we have downloaded MySQL Server and SSMS to manage the data. To arrange data, we use relational database management. So, in a MySQL server, we will store data in table level. For an example, the attendance looks like the following table. If you observe the above table, it is in tabular format. Similarly, we have to create the same in database. So to create it, MySQL accepts queries or statements. MySQL statements or MySQL queries are valid instruction that relational database management systems understand. Software developers build MySQL statements by using different MySQL language elements. MySQL language elements are components such as identifiers, variables, and search conditions that form a correct MySQL statement. Okay, for an example, let's create one sample query for the above table. Select name, comma, branch from students dot student underscore attendance where branch equals to CAC. Here in select statement, select gets the data student dot student underscore attendance is schema dot table underscore name, comma, from stands for which table it should get and where is identifier so condition where branch equals to CAC gets the details of the students who belongs to only branch CAC. Now the table looks like this. This is the basic MySQL statement and later we will learn all the create, insert, select and update statements too. What is schema? What is table name? In MySQL Server, we can create databases. So databases have separate entities. For an example, there is a cafe where it maintains two databases for online orders and for offline orders. So now we have two databases here, online databases and offline databases. Database is nothing but an entity or a placeholder where schemas are present. So what is a schema? For an example, in online database, we store online orders. Generally, online orders can happen with food where a person has to carry the food and we have to provide maps to the customer. Also, we have to store customer details. So everything here has different components like customer is different, food is different, the rider to carry is different. So we used to maintain three schemas. One for customer, that is the customer details. Second for food, where the items are available or not and there needs to be tracked. And the last one is for customers. We have to send customer what he orders rather than others. MySQL DML and DDL commands. DML. DML stands for Data Manipulation LAN. These statements are used for managing the data within the database. Select. Select is an access command. It allows you to access data within a database. Insert. Insert is a change command. It allows you to input rows of data within an existing table. Delete. Delete is a change command and it allows you to remove rows of data within an existing table. Update. Update is a change command. It allows you to change data within the rows of a table. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. These commands are used to define, modify, and manage the structure of database objects. These commands are responsible for creating, altering, and dropping database objects such as tables, indexes, views, and schemas. Now, creating an example using all commands. Create. Create a table and its columns. Alter. Modify column names, add or delete a column. Truncate. Remove data from a table without deleting the table. Rename. Remove data from a table without deleting the table. Drop. Delete the data with its table. We will take example of Michael Kors. So Michael Kors is a brand which consists of clothes, purse, shoes, and it has to maintain employees. Now, using DDL and DML commands, let's discuss in detail. So if you think Michael Kors as brand, we have to create databases for Michael Kors. One database is for product that is offering and other is for employees that is to maintain. Now, how to create databases and schemas and tables for Michael Kors. Open SSMS Studio. We have decided to create two databases. Let's create them first. So, creating databases in DDL function. Create database products underscore mk. Create database employees underscore mk. Create database products underscore mk semicolon. Create database employees underscore mk semicolon. Use products underscore mk. Create schema bags. Under bags schema, we have four tables. Let's create them. Use database products underscore mk semicolon. Use schema bags semicolon. Create table types underscore of underscore bags within bracket id int type varchar 1000 semicolon. Create table sex within bracket id int comma type varchar 1 semicolon. Create table price underscore of underscore bags within bracket bag underscore id int comma value int semicolon. Will explain data underscore types and about foreign key constraints in the next video. Insert into types underscore of underscore bags within bracket id comma type bracket closed values within bracket 1 comma short bag bracket closed semicolon. Insert into types underscore of underscore bags within bracket id comma type bracket closed values within bracket 2 long bag bracket closed semicolon. Insert into types underscore of underscore bags within bracket id comma type bracket closed values within bracket 3 sling bag bracket closed semicolon. Point to be noted. Whenever you write MySQL query, always end it with the semicolon. Since MySQL server accepts semicolon as end of the query. Writing after from database underscore name dot schema dot table underscore name. Above query can also be written as select from types underscore of underscore bags semicolon. Alter query. Suppose you mistakenly written something wrong while inserting column. For an example, in the mentioned table type, sling bag does not have space. So generally, we have to delete and insert it again. Instead, MySQL has alter statement which help to resolve the problem. Update types underscore of underscore bags set type is equals to sling bag where id is equals to 3 semicolon. Let's check the result. Select from types underscore of underscore bags semicolon. Similarly, delete command helps to delete the entire row. Delete from types underscore of underscore bags where id is equals to 2 semicolon. Let's check whether we have id equals to 2 row in the types underscore of underscore bags table or not. If you observe in the above table, entire row is deleted using the delete statement. Thank you for watching.